Can you change your password on Talkie AI? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Talkie. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then click on Logout. Once again tap on Logout. Once you have been logged out, once again click on Profile and choose a specific account from which you have created the Talkie AI account. Tap on Continue. Now select the specific Google account and then once again click on Continue. There you go, you have been logged in into your specific account, which means that there is no any password required for you to log in into your account. The password option does not exist on Talkie AI right now. You can simply choose the account and then log in. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.